Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how we can calculate the marginal utility, and this is the example that I put also in the lecture notes, so you can check out this table. This is the formula we have for marginal utility. So marginal utility is the change in total utility divided by change in quantity. And I'm going to start with here when the quantity is 0. Remember, when you are not consuming anything, you're not buying anything, you're not eating anything. So obviously the total utility will be 0. That's your total satisfaction. So the marginal utility basically does not exist. So anytime that your quantity is 0, remember that your marginal utility does not exist. So just leave it blank. Do not calculate, especially for homework assignment, for homework. For the exams and everything, I probably won't ask you to calculate it, but for the assignments, make sure that you leave it blank. I'm going to start basically with quantity 1. So when we eat the first taco, our total utility is 10 utils. That's your total satisfaction. And util is basically the way that we kind of calculate the total utility. Just accept these numbers here. They are completely random, and think about it as a way that economists kind of calculate these numbers based on ranking our satisfactions from different goods and services. So when this consumer, this imaginary consumer, eats the first taco, the total satisfaction is 10 utils. So I'm going to calculate the marginal utility for quantity 1. So for quantity 1, my marginal utility, or MU, is the change in total utility. Total utility is 10 when we eat the first taco, and it's 0 when we don't eat any taco. So that is the change in total utility, 10 minus 0. And then 1 minus 0 is the change in quantity. This is the first taco, this is 0 tacos. So the marginal utility is 10 when quantity is 1. Let me do the second one for you. So when quantity is 2, let me go back to the table. Our total utility is 18, quantity is 2. So I want to calculate the marginal utility. So the marginal utility, again, is the change in total utility, which is the change between these two numbers divided by the change in these two numbers. So marginal utility when quantity is 2 is 18 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 0. Again, this is the TU when quantity is 2, and this is TU when quantity is 1. So the marginal utility is 8. Hopefully you can do the rest. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know. Let me show you all the answers. So these are the numbers for our marginal utility. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Thank you.